Number 3. Reliability concerns. One of the key reasons why many owners decided to sell their Bronco is the fact that this off-roader is no champion of reliability. Issues are various, but we can start with the engines. The base 2.3-liter inline-4 has become famous for its turbo wastegate issues, and that problem didn't skip Bronco either. The optional 2.7-liter V6 turned out to be even more problematic, with frequent failures at pretty low mileage. Simply, the moment this engine was released, something was wrong, and that something was the valve design, which tends to fail at pretty low mileage and damage other parts of the engine as well. It all escalated with Ford's massive recall of more than 700,000 trucks and SUVs equipped with this engine, including Broncos produced in 2021 and 2022. The list of reliability issues goes on, and besides engine issues, many owners complained about uneven tire wear. Drivers would notice strange vibrations at pretty low mileage, and first, it was believed that there were some issues with the steering system. Eventually, it turned out that the tires didn't wear equally on Bronco. The problem occurs predominantly on the rear axle, and while Ford suggested more frequent tire rotation, owners are disappointed with the fact that the company still hasn't offered a real solution. Number 2. Build quality and strange design solutions. What would you do if you realized that your brand new car has some pretty serious flaws in terms of build quality? Of course, you would sell it as soon as possible, and that's exactly what's happening with many Bronco owners right now, because some things on this SUV are really hard to explain. For example, some hardcore versions like the Sasquatch package lack quintessential features. This super capable off-roader comes with mud terrain tires, but for some reason, it doesn't come with mud flaps. So what happens next is that once you step off the road, these massive tires will start throwing rocks around. And with no flaps to protect the body, the paint gets damaged easily, and soon enough, rust will appear on an almost new vehicle. We already talked about Bronco's interior and its materials, but probably an even bigger concern is that there's a lot of rattle and strange noise, which clearly suggests that the interior parts haven't been assembled well. Furthermore, the sealing on roof panels is far from great, so cases of water leaks have been reported as well. Then there are fender flares, massive pieces of plastic designed to protect the paint. Well, the only problem is that these are super easy to remove.